Imagine sitting in your car, sipping coffee, reading the news, and arriving at your destination without ever touching the steering wheel. This is not science fiction. This is the future of transportation, and it's already on the road. Self-driving cars, also known as autonomous vehicles, AVs, represent one of the most significant technological advancements in the modern era. They promise to revolutionize how we travel, improve road safety, reduce traffic congestion, and make transportation more accessible. But how exactly do these intelligent machines work? What technologies enable them to drive without human input? And what challenges remain on the road to full autonomy? The core components of autonomous vehicles. Self-driving cars rely on a sophisticated interplay of hardware and software to perceive their environment, make decisions, and execute actions. The primary hardware components include sensors, cameras, radar, LiDAR, and onboard computers. Cameras capture high-resolution images for object detection and lane recognition, while radar uses radio waves to measure distances and detect objects in adverse weather conditions. LiDAR, a laser-based system, creates detailed 3D maps of the surroundings, offering unparalleled precision in spatial awareness. Ultrasonic sensors complement these by detecting nearby obstacles, especially during low-speed maneuvers like parking. The brain of an AV is its onboard computer, which processes data from these sensors in real time. These computers, often equipped with powerful GPUs, handle massive computational loads to interpret the environment and predict the behavior of other road users. For instance, a self-driving car must distinguish between a pedestrian, a cyclist, and a stationary object, all while accounting for dynamic factors like speed and trajectory. Software and artificial intelligence. The software powering self-driving cars is where the magic happens. Advanced algorithms, machine learning, and artificial intelligence, AI, enable vehicles to make split-second decisions. Perception algorithms process sensor data to identify objects, classify them, and track their movements. For example, a neural network might recognize a traffic light's color or predict a pedestrian's intent based on body language. Path planning is another critical software component. It calculates the optimal route for the vehicle, considering traffic rules, road conditions, and real-time obstacles. This involves complex decision-making models that prioritize safety and efficiency. For instance, if a child runs into the street, the car's AI must instantly decide whether to brake, swerve, or stop, all while adhering to legal and ethical constraints. Localization and mapping are equally vital. Self-driving cars use simultaneous localization and mapping, SLAM, to build and update maps of their environment while pinpointing their exact location. High-definition maps, preloaded with details like lane markings and traffic signals, enhance this process, though AVs must also adapt to unmapped or changing environments, such as construction zones. Levels of autonomy. The Society of Automotive Engineers, SAE, defines 6 levels of driving automation, from level 0, no automation, to level 5, full automation. Most self-driving cars today operate at level 2 or 3, offering partial automation with features like adaptive cruise control and lane-keeping assistance. Level 4 vehicles, like those developed by Waymo, can operate autonomously in specific conditions, such as designated urban areas, without human intervention. Level 5, the Holy Grail, envisions cars that can drive anywhere, anytime, without a steering wheel or human input, a milestone yet to be achieved. Challenges and future implications. Despite their promise, self-driving cars face significant hurdles. Technical challenges include ensuring reliability in extreme weather, handling unpredictable human behavior, and securing systems against cyber attacks. Ethical dilemmas, such as programming decisions in unavoidable accident scenarios, remain contentious. Regulatory frameworks also lag behind, with governments grappling to standardize safety and liability rules. The societal impact of AVs is profound. They could reduce the 1.4 million annual traffic fatalities caused by human error, as estimated by the World Health Organization. Shared autonomous fleets could decrease urban congestion and parking demands, freeing up land for green spaces. However, job displacement in industries like trucking and ride-sharing raises economic concerns, necessitating workforce retraining. In conclusion, self-driving cars combine cutting-edge technology with ambitious goals to redefine transportation as we know it. They offer tremendous benefits but also demand careful consideration, regulation, and responsible development. The journey has begun, and the destination is a smarter, safer, and more connected future on the road.